Continuing my review of the various configuration settings of JomSocial so you can get a good idea of its capabilities and features, we now get to the Layout tab of the configuration panel. Here you can set your karma settings. This is a reward system for rewarding members for contributing to your community. Here you can set karma points for various activities such as using an image. You can set different images for the number of karma points. Display settings, show toolbar, display the name, you can display username or real name of your members. Set activity stream date style, allow HTML codes in the activity stream, show avatar in activity stream. Here you have your front page settings. You can enable front page activities and set the number of activities for your front page. Default front page activity filter, show all or just show your users and friends. Front page recent members, front page recent videos, events, photos, and groups, as well as enable activity stream on the front page. Notice that I've set mine to default, but you can show or you can show members only their activities. Next we have the Privacy tab. Here you set default user privacy to public, members, or friends. Set friends policy or photos privacy. Default user email notifications. You can receive system emails, show applications, receive comment notifications. These are your members, that is. And then there's some privacy settings for administrators. You can show administrators and distinguish them from members. Next we have the Network tab. You can set the JomSocial network configuration, enable JomSocial network. Here is the URL for joining the network. Here's some site information. Facebook Connect option. Obviously, there's a lot of tools for integrating your JomSocial Joomla website with Facebook. Here you can enter in the Facebook API key that you'll get from Facebook to do the integration. Facebook application secret. Facebook settings. You can import Facebook profile on first sign up. This will save your members from having to add all that information to your community. You can add Facebook watermarks on avatar, automatically re-import user's profile upon each login, automatically re-import user avatar upon each login, import user status from Facebook, post statuses to Facebook, or allow users to invite Facebook friends. That's probably one of the most important features right there, is you can get members to your community by allowing your members to invite their Facebook friends. This takes us to the Remote Storage tab. Because you're allowing all your members to upload videos and photos as well as avatars as well as group photos and videos, there's some settings here for alleviating some of the pressure of all these storage requirements on your server. Notice the default is to store everything on a local server, but you can also use Amazon server services called S3 to store some of these large files. So you can set Amazon as your storage method and then go ahead and contract with Amazon. It will give you a bucket path access key, secret key, as well as a class that you can set here to then have some of your videos and photos perhaps stored off-site with Amazon. Lastly, we have the Integrations tab. You can set your MyBlog integrations to enable MyBlog icon in the profile, Google Maps integrations, street field code, city field code, state field code, as well as country field code. These last settings here refer to a Google Mapping plugin that I've added to work with my JomSocial community to help me map my members. I got this from the vast collection of Joomla add-ons and plugins that are available, many of them which integrate directly with JomSocial, and this integration will occur from this Integrations tab right here. So there you have a very thorough review of the various capabilities and functions and possibilities that you can bring to your websites with this JomSocial community building tool. Let me now complete this section of the course with a review of how to install this rather complex and a little bit expensive component, but it does do a lot, as you can see from my previous movies describing the various features and capabilities. So let's start in the next movie with a visit to the JomSocial website so we can download this tool, and I can demonstrate how to install it in Joomla.